Okay, let's do this. We're going to do some popcorn individually with some heat source. We've got an Intrepid test pad. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, sweet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can pop these one after another. And overnight, one's going to be in water to soak it up, see if that helps it pop better. One's going to be in oil overnight, and one's going to be just on its own overnight. Then tomorrow, we're going to get the burner out. We're going to try and pop these one by one. Can you pop individual popcorns rather than put them in the pan? You probably can. It's the laws of physics, isn't it? But I've never done it one by one. We got other Intrepid Chuck Yeagers or Buzz Lightyears in there. Right, okay, let's put this one in the water. And this one in the oil. Ooh, there you go. Ooh, that's good to the side, doesn't it? And this one, ooh, just in standard air at 1 atmosphere. Just so scientific there. Let's see how it goes. Right. It's late at night now. I'm still waiting for those to one to get full of water, that one to be oily, and that one to just be au natural in the air. But I have made my my launch tower. I'm going to put the each sunflower seed into this receptacle. And I've got my SpaceX style launch tower there stuck on, so it doesn't fall over. So it's very rigid, so it doesn't fall over. Yeah, I will launch them tomorrow at approximately, well, about 10 minutes after my wife has run off to the caravan, in case I burn the house down. I think I've got enough gas still to set them all off. Oh yeah, that's very scientific, isn't it? Like that. Oh, ooh, it's just like the Apollo missions on a smaller scale. I'm going to guess that's just going to burn. I'm going to guess that might be alright. I'm going to guess that one could be hitting the roof due to the amount of moisture in it. Make it expand more, give it more thrust. Yeah, it'll be interesting, won't it? Let's see. I do it just, like I say, just before breakfast and after my wife's left for the day. Out of harm's way. Ooh, can't wait. The big day has arrived. We're going to do this, my launch pad for individually popped popcorn kernels. I just said a really crap joke and it's making me laugh. I should go properly down. These popcorn kernels, such is the risk of the mission, they'd be promoted from popcorn majors. Or the captains. Oh dear, I shouldn't tell it the world's funniest joke at this time. It's a very serious matter doing science. Anyway, I want to salute. I want to salute them now before they take on their hazardous mission. All right, let's get cracking. Oh, the countdown timer, the clock's going down. T-minus 10 minutes. Oh, I've got a cold as well. My nose is running. I might be allergic to owls. Oh, I might be allergic to owls, but that's another story. Right, let's get going. Right, as I mentioned before, we have the one that's been au natural, just in air. We've got the one in oil overnight, and we one in water to see if it'll absorb some water and give it more of a lift off into its suborbital trajectory. And we will measure which one gets the highest. And of course, at one point, if we get up to about there, I can mention we're now going through max Q. Get my finger in this shot. We're now going through max Q, the point of mass and most aerodynamic loads. I like to say that, but it might be have to say it quite quickly because if I don't think they're actually going to fly out of the pan. I think it's going to burn into a crisp. Anyway, let's get going. Let's get cracking on. Firstly, I just need a sip of this Ribena. Oh, you can't beat a good Ribena, can you? In the morning when you're doing science experiments, especially with flames. Right, let's see I hope I've got some gas in here. We'll test it in a minute. How you operate, it's gone a bit rusty. I haven't been doing enough experimenting. It's been in the shed. Yeah. How much fuel do we need for this trip to this suborbital trip? About that much. Right, let's put the first intrepid test pilot. We'll call him Neil Armstrong. No, the other one. The one that nobody can remember in the Apollo 11. I think it was Michael Collins. Here we go. Or was it Michael Jackson? Because you wouldn't with Michael Jackson, would you, on a trip to the moon in a three-man spaceship? Especially if you took bubbles off. Can you have bubbles in space? Oh, there's a conundrum. Right, here we go. We've got Michael Collins, the third man of... Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, the third man of the Apollo 11 moon mission. The one who stayed back in the command ship trying to get Wi-Fi access up there. Or whatever he did. Anyway, here we go. Right, let's see the burner works. We're going to hear a whooshing sound plus 2 clicks. And then, oof! There's a whooshing sound. And 2 clicks. All right, let's go. Pop! Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I love the smell of popcorn in the morning, as I said in the podcast. The dogs run off into the garden. See, what the fuck? All right. Well, Michael Collins, stroke Michael Jackson, stroke Bubble. Well, it didn't bubble, did it? It just burnt. I think my heat source might be too hot. All right, let's try the one in water next, because I think the one in oil might be quite fun. Oh, here we go. All right. Now, this has got water in it, so it should have enough time to pop with my high heat source. Right, let's get cracking. Oh, I need to blow my nose. Oh, I'll use this to clear out all my snot. Right, what? 2 clicks. Oh, what's this bit? Here we go. I'll do it from a further away this time. Come on. Lift off. Oh, it's bubbling. Come on, you can do it. It popped. It's going round and round. Oh. Well, that was an improvement, wasn't it? It definitely got a pop there. Oh, they did pop upwards. Yeah, well done. That was Buzz Aldrin. It did actually. Oh, look, the bottom's not done yet. All right, okay. Ooh, we'll put him to one side, and at least all this. Well, they might look a bit crispy, crunchy, but they've also. Oh, you can come in wispy if you want. Don't worry, you won't get a bit of a popcorn in your eye. Right, here we go. The oily one. This could be fun. Actually, I can't pick it up. It's too oily. I didn't plan ahead with this bit, did I? Oh, if I was at the fair, I'd win a goldfish by now getting this out. There we go. Ooh, come on. Right, here we go. It's sizzling. Everybody's sizzling. Oh, that's no good. Actually, I wonder what happens if you put the oil in there and just set the burner. Will it set on fire? Oh, that glow. Alright. Let's see if I can set fire to that. No, my oil doesn't set on fire. Very disappointed. Although, oh, there we go. Oh, we're off. Alright. That's more like it. I'm going to set off the carbon monoxide detector. Oh, I'm impressed with that. Oh. Oh my god. Our boiler didn't work this morning, so I had to fix it by knocking the pump with a heavy metal object just to free up the impeller. If we had this there, well, I feel like a caveman. No, that's perfect, isn't it? Oh, I think we call that a result. Not for the test pilot, of course. Neil Armstrong, he might, well, hopefully he's wearing thermal layers in there. Fantastic. Well, I've really enjoyed that. We'll dig him out in a minute, and we'll get a live report from him. Oh no, oh no, that's not good. It's dropping stuff onto the launch pad. Ugh. Actually, why is it dropping stuff into the launch pad? Oh, I set fire to the duct tape underneath. All right, let me go in there. Oh no, it's going rapidly wrong. Let me blow on it. More oxygen will help. Well, actually, I did blow on it and he blew it out. I don't recommend blowing oxygen onto a live fire, especially a chip pan fire. You're supposed to put a damp tea cloth over them. There we go. Yeah, I've got some, oh dear. I've got some tight, oh, that's still sticky, look. Sticky duct tape. So yeah, I've got some cleaning up before my wife. You can tell my wife's gone away, can't you? Cool. I love that, it's brilliant. Oh no, my GoPro camera's only on 38%. Obviously got overexcited. Right, let's get, can I get Neil out of there without burning my fingers? We can. Oh, he's a bit sizzled. And that is almost, he's a bit crunchy. He's a bit crunchy. I mean, that was the best. I knew the water one would be the best. Oh, yeah, that was a bit of a damp squib, but not as damp as the water one. Look at that, you see? So there you go. Buzz Aldrin won. He did actually have a pop, though he didn't do any sort of, he didn't actually swap anything for potential energy by going in up above the launch pad. Yeah, he was firmly bound by space curvature. It turns out you can't give a one piece of popping popcorn enough energy with a blowtorch to defeat the gravitational well of space-time curvature. Yeah, there you go, as they say. Oh God, look at that. It's never very good when you melt duct tape. It's supposed to be indestructible, like kryptonite. Oh, kryptonite duct tape. There's an idea. That'll sort out that stupid Superman, won't it? And here we go. We've got our three Intrepid test pilots. The guy in the oil, he was a bit crispy. That one actually, the one that was so natural, just didn't do anything. But the one in water, as I suspected, it popped. It went pop. So it did actually technically pop, but it didn't fly off into a suborbital trajectory into space, which would have been really, really good. But look, you can see the water. You got back on that side where the burner was on, but completely untouched on that side. So he survived the mission. I'm not sure that the other two might have, Neil and Buzz, but Mike Collins or Mike Jackson, or Bubbles as I call him nowadays, he did. He didn't bubble, did he? No, he didn't. He stayed in touch. You know, with hindsight, you know, I'm sure that NASA does this often, especially when they keep losing space shuttles, is that I've got all that to clear up now, which is melted duct tape. Why didn't I just put my launch tower in that? So if there was any spillage of burning duct tape, it would just collect it in that, rather than I'm going to clean up all that now. And the thing is, you can't use anything too abrasive in here because it'll scratch. Yeah, it's a double whammy. You can use a Brillo pad and get it all off, but then you end up with a scratched metal hob. So you have to gently tease it off. Come on, Dad. Come to Dad. Yeah, melty duct tape. It's stronger than... Well, it's quite strong actually. It's stronger than my thumb. As a rule of thumb, melted duct tape is stronger than my thumb. Whew, I'm all scientifically science out at the moment. My mind can't take all the data in. Good job I got my my video from the tripod. Excellent. Oh, I'll be able to give you a full summary report later, everyone. Apart from I've got to do some more cooking. Experimental, of course.